So guys, behind me, the hotel I'm staying in Khujand, Tajikistan. This hotel used to be called Leninabad back in the days. So this was completely renovated, unfortunately. Well, fortunately or unfortunately, but used to be an old Soviet hotel and they renovated it. Let's get in here. It was just a wedding before or something. Huge delegation coming out. This is the hotel. Got my key card, 309. So, as I said, it was renovated. 309, let's find that room. Okay, smells new. The carpet is a bit stained. Okay, 309, here we go. Okay. And welcome to my room. Well, that doesn't look very renovated. And let's check if there is light here. No light. Well, here we go, some light. So, small room, but double bed. Got small TV, and kettle, some stuff here. Well, at least this hotel gives you some water here. And a watch. And let's check this out here. Yeah, bath towel. And what do we have here? No safe. So no safe in this hotel. And balcony here. Oh, mosquito net. Okay. Oh, nice view. I'm not that high. I think I'm on the third floor. But I mean, for a renovated hotel, this doesn't particularly look renovated. I mean, if you look at this carpet here, a little bit the Soviet feel, right? But yeah, okay. It's okay. A little bit stained here, and but the view is cool. Oh, look at this. There's a cable car over there. I don't know where this is going, but this is Khujand city. And as I said, it used to be called Leninabad until the collapse of the Soviet, and was renamed to Khujand. And tomorrow I'm going to check out one of the biggest standing Lenin statue, which was on the square but was moved, and to the outskirts of the city. It's a beautiful evening. I mean, it's almost 7 o'clock here, and cable car still running, sun setting. There's a river in front of us. This is the second biggest city after Dushanbe. This hotel was built in 1976, Sugdiyon Hotel, and somehow simpler in the past when it was called Leninabad. But in 2018, this hotel was completely renovated, consisting of 10 floors. But as I said, it doesn't really look like renovated. I don't know how they are constructing stuff or how they are refurbishing things. But I mean, if you look at the carpet, it's not really aligned. And I mean, the doors have some stain, and look at this. Doesn't really. It's $30 a night. You cannot really complain, right? This is the bathroom, and it's fairly small, but it does the trick. There's a hairdryer, a shower. Yeah, so a shame it didn't keep its origin facade and the look and feel of this old Soviet hotel, but somehow the interior looks exactly like that. So that's it, my little tour in this hotel room. As I said, I can't complain for $30. It's a okay hotel. I'm sure I will be able to sleep. It's a bit warm here. I think there was a wedding or something earlier. There's some music going on. And in the meantime, it actually got a bit dark here. So you can hear the freaking noise here. I'll check out this place tomorrow, little city tour, and visit one of the biggest Lenin statue here in this whole region, Stan countries. Until then, have a good one. See you next time. Cheerio.